Okay, so let's talk about it. The faceless video monetization strategy is there, and it works. It really does work. Now, the reason why I said that you have to utilize keywords and SEO is because your actual video will not be found if you aren't creating content around a particular thing, right? The right thing, especially when it's a faceless channel. Some of the faceless channels that are really popular, I'll go through a couple of them. You can go take a look at them and see some of the content that they're spitting out. But I wanted to show you all examples. These are high keyword rich examples that you can actually emulate and do something either similar or the same and have a bit of competition going on, right? But they're faceless channels that you can totally 120% monetize. It's one of the channels. This channel only has 15 videos and it already has 56,000 subscribers. And this channel right here is one of those then and now channels, but they still use AI to generate this content. And let's also mention that you can do this as well on Instagram or on TikTok. It doesn't necessarily have to be on YouTube. A lot of folks just like to go to YouTube because YouTube is the easier to come by. So for example, the top 10 most profitable niches in the faceless channel industry are home organization and decluttering, pet care and training, life hacks and productivity, financial and investment advice, language learning, photography and editing, tutorials, parenting and childcare, gardening and plant care. And there are 2 more that are listed here. If you want the full list, go ahead and join the YouTube challenge and you can go ahead and get the full list. I'll put it inside of the YouTube challenge. But I say all of that to say that there are a ton of niches that you could be creating faceless content in, right? So basically with faceless content, the only thing you're going to do is identify, do some research beforehand. For a lot of people, they take their faceless channel and they go out to either Upwork or to Fiverr and they find folks to run their faceless channel for them. So they're not creating any videos whatsoever. They have someone that will go do the AI, the ChatGPT rundowns, put together the images, do the AI voiceover and everything. So it's a really profitable niche to be in.